M4JAM is a mobile app that connects micro jobs to our on-demand workforce. Using our technology platform, businesses can crowdsource data and gather insights quickly, while users earn money by completing quick and simple micro jobs. By leveraging the power of people and technology, M4JAM increases the speed and accuracy of data gathering at a margin of the traditional cost. Our nationwide footprint gives you access to local resources who live and work in the community to complete your tasks. Equipped with a smartphone, our jobbers are able to view a list of available jobs in their vicinity. They can then select and undertake simple tasks and earn anything between 50 Rand and 100 Rand once the job is successfully completed. The flexible M4JAM platform makes it easy to customize and execute a specific job according to your brand's needs at a fraction of the cost. Our software will easily direct the jobber to the selected location. Once there, jobbers will source your data sets by means of taking photos, verifying pricing information, locating and recording asset positions, and much more. Once completed, the information is submitted via our app, giving you access to real-time insights and giving the jobber access to instant income via the M4JAM wallet. Welcome to the speed and power of M4JAM and our nationwide on-demand jobber community. Let's make small work of your big data together.